Ovarian cysts are one of the common causes of pain in the lower abdomen, discomfort, pressure in the pelvic region, or digestive symptoms such as gas, bloating, and irregular bowel movement. While ovarian cysts are widely present, not all of them need medical attention. This is because not all of them are serious, and most of the time they can be resolved by adopting a healthy diet and lifestyle. However, in cases of large ovarian cyst or when your symptoms have gone beyond your control, then you should always consult an experienced doctor who can advise you on appropriate treatment and management of your condition. Ayurvedic treatment for ovarian cyst involves a holistic approach to establish the fertility and hormone balance, and thus to find relief from ovarian cyst in a natural way with the help of herbal supplements, diet and lifestyle changes. Hi, this is Nidhi Bansal here from Medhya Herbals. We help women to gain health with all natural and holistic principles of Ayurveda, and in this video I will share with you Ayurvedic natural treatment for ovarian cyst, some of the symptoms that you should know, and how you can improve your diet and lifestyle to find relief naturally. I'll be sharing with you 5 effective tips that you can employ right away. So let's get started. An ovarian cyst is a fluid-filled sac that forms on or inside the ovaries. It usually forms during ovulation process of follicle generation or recession. These cysts are very common during the reproductive years. They usually form or recede on their own within few weeks. However, in some cases, these ovarian cysts can go beyond control and they can grow as big as 15 cm in size, thus creating intense pressure and pain in the whole lower abdominal area and specifically in your pelvic area. In that cases, the ovarian cysts definitely need an immediate and urgent treatment, perhaps removal by surgery. However, in most of the cases, these cysts are benign, and in some cases, even small sized ovarian cysts may contain materials and malignant cells that can lead to chances of ovarian cancer and other malignancies inside the body. That's why it is really important to get control on ovarian cysts in time and to check them on regular basis to find proper treatment. In cases when ovarian cysts are not treated in time, they may lead to ovarian torsion. That means they can lead to unnecessary rotation of the ovaries and movement from their regular place. They can put unnecessary pressure on the fallopian tubes as well as on the uterus. In some cases, these ovarian cysts may bleed and lead to hemorrhage or excessive menstrual bleeding. That's why it is really important to keep tab on them. Now, the ovarian cysts are of 2 types, the functional cyst and the non-functional cyst. Usually the functional cysts are non-malignant, that means they are not cancerous. They form as a result of unnatural growth of the follicles or of the corpus luteum, or in cases of polycystic ovaries. Non-functional cysts, on the other hand, sometimes contain materials such as dead cells or malignant cells which can be cancerous. Generally, non-functional cysts have higher chances of malignancy or of conditions such as endometriosis and adenomyosis, which can also put your health at risk. Now let's look into some of the causes and symptoms of ovarian cysts that you should know. Now, the cyst on the ovaries can form as a result of hormonal imbalances, nutritional deficiencies, infections, poor diet and lifestyle choices, or simply as a result of hormonal transition that a woman goes through, for example, during menarche and menopause. When your hormones are changing quite rapidly, in some cases you may have hormonal imbalances, and as a result they can lead to abnormal growth on the ovaries or in different parts of the reproductive system where you have all the tissues which are stimulated by the estrogen and progesterone. And in some cases, ovarian cysts may also be caused by health conditions such as PCOS, endometriosis, adenomyosis and fibroids. And here are some of the signs and symptoms of ovarian cysts that you should know. So the presence of cyst on the ovaries can lead to an abnormal function of the ovaries and of the reproductive system in general. It can affect your fertility and also your menstrual cycle. Some women experience heavy menstrual bleeding or irregular periods as a result of ovarian cyst and the hormonal imbalances that they are going through. For some, pain in lower abdominal area, digestive disorders such as acidity, bloating, irregular bowel movement and irregular appetite are quite common. Presence of ovarian cyst and the hormonal imbalances that accompany it can also lead to Leucorrhea or excessive vaginal discharge. You may also experience severe PMS, pelvic pain, nausea, vomiting, especially during the first few days of your period. Cysts on the ovaries are considered to be a disorder of excessive kapha dosha or excessive growth inside the body. Abnormal tissue growth is termed as granthi in Ayurveda, and hence suitable treatments involving herbal medications, diet, lifestyle changes and physical therapies are recommended according to an individual's specific symptoms. Ayurveda doesn't only take into account your current symptoms, but it also looks into your overall health to establish balance in the long term. Ayurvedic treatment is all natural and holistic in nature, and it helps to prevent the recurrence of any health condition in future. Now let's look into the specific Ayurvedic measures that you can take. So the first thing that you can practice is to improve your diet. Healthy diet is really important to keep your nutritional levels maintained and to boost your fertility and thus regulate the functioning of your reproductive system organs. When you are nutritionally sufficient, then your hormones are generated in right quantity and at the right time. Thus, they help to regulate the functioning of your reproductive organs such as the ovaries and the uterus. That's why do make sure to take in foods that will help you to establish the hormone balance. Here are some of the foods that are really good source of all the essential nutrients such as the vitamins, folic acid, iron, magnesium, zinc, selenium, vitamin C, vitamin A, E and calcium that you need for proper functioning of your reproductive system. Second thing that you should practice is to improve your lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle is really important to keep your circadian rhythms as well as your hormone flow in balance. When your circadian rhythms are balanced, then your hormones are also secreted at the right time, as they are there to support the natural functioning of your body. Thus, your menstrual cycle, proper digestion, metabolism, as well as functioning of other essential body systems that depend on your hormones. The third thing that you can do is to take in Ayurvedic herbal supplements. These are potent sources of micronutrients and medicinal substances that will help to establish hormone balance, detox the body to get rid of all the inflammation and toxins that are creating disturbance in the functioning of the ovaries and of the reproductive system as well. They also help to regulate the menstrual cycle and boost the fertility. Ayurvedic herbs should be consumed under the direction of an experienced Ayurvedic doctor who can guide their consumption according to your specific body type. This is because they are potent herbal medicines. That's why their right use will help you to get relief and also improve your health. Here are some of the highly effective Ayurvedic herbs that help to find relief from ovarian cyst and a lot of hormonal imbalance disorders that affect the functioning of the reproductive system. And the fourth thing that you can do is to reduce and manage stress. Excessive stress is one of the primary triggers for hormonal imbalances and ovarian cyst in majority of women. Excessive stress not only suppresses your reproductive system but also leads to poor immunity, weight gain, problems with sleep and disturbance in the functioning of majority of your body systems. These days we are overwhelmed with a lot of activities that we are carrying out at any point of time. All of this unnecessary stuff often takes a toll on our health without us even knowing it. However, when we are aware of all these stressful activities and the factors that are hampering our mental wellness, then we can consciously take measures to improve our mental wellness, to say no to all of these activities which are not important, or to plan better so that we are prepared for the transition that could be stressful for us otherwise. In addition, you can also practice stress relieving measures such as walking in nature, spending time with family, friends, or on community activities, and you can also practice yoga and meditation, which will help you to calm down, wind down your day properly and stay relaxed. The fifth thing is to carry out regular physical activity. Weight gain is also one of the symptoms a large majority of women struggle with along with ovarian cyst. Whether you are experiencing weight gain or not, you should carry out daily physical activity to improve circulation in your body. This will help you to establish your hormone balance, stay relaxed, and also improve your overall health going forward. It also helps you to detox your body in a natural way so that you find relief from ovarian cysts and are able to dissolve them in a natural way. If you are underweight, then you should focus on strength building physical activities, and if you are overweight, then you should should focus on a right mix of physical activity that will help you to lose weight and gain strength inside your body. So that was all. I hope you found it useful. Ovarian cysts are not serious. They can be resolved in a natural way by practicing a healthy lifestyle. Ayurvedic herbs help to speed up the recovery. They help you to find relief from your symptoms and improve your overall health going forward. These are herbal supplements that act along with your body. So do get started with all of these measures and do share your health journey with me. Do subscribe to Medhya Herbals channel so that you stay updated with the latest Ayurvedic health tips to stay in the best shape of your health. And do like and share this video with all who will find it useful. I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.